Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. Students, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying these lectures. Welcome to the video lecture 11 for class 3. Subject is English and your book is Grammar and Usage. I am your teacher Farhat Mubin from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College Lahore. Contents of today's lecture are introduction, explanation, examples, exercise, and homework. Our today's topic is prepositions. Let's see what are prepositions. First, I am going to give the definition, then explain it with the help of examples. The words which tell us position, direction or movement and time of a noun are called prepositions. For example, in. In is a word that is called preposition and it tells us about the position of a noun, that where is a noun. For example, bag. My bag is in the cupboard. Over and across are other words that are prepositions and they tell us about the direction or movement of a noun. At and on are also prepositions and they tell us time. Dear students, let's see a few more examples to understand the concept of prepositions more clearly. Your pen is under the newspaper. Where is the pen? It is under the newspaper. The word under is telling us the position of pen, so it is a preposition. Jane puts her book into the bag. Where is Jane putting the book? Into the bag. The word into is a preposition. They are walking along the road. The word along is telling us the movement or position of them. So it is a preposition. Please come in by the back door. From where to come? By. The word by is a preposition here. The sun is shining brightly above our heads. The word above is a preposition. You can see those words which are given the colors, they are prepositions. Students, here is exercise 40. It is on page 138 of your grammar books. The question is, complete the story below. Use the words in the box to fill in the blanks. Use each word once only. 8 words are given here to fill in the 8 blanks. The words are into, up, across, in, out, at, beside, along. Let's fill in the blanks one by one. One day I went dash for a walk. Where did I go? Out. I went out for a walk. I was walking dash Temple Street. In order to tell about the street, path or road, we use the word along. I was walking along Temple Street when I saw an old man begging dash the temple, at the temple. A small boy was sitting dash him, beside. Next, he was holding a big ball. Many people threw money dash the ball. Into. The preposition into will be used here. The beggar looked happy. Suddenly a policeman appeared. The beggar and the boy quickly got dash. They quickly got up and ran dash the road, across the road. They were soon lost in the crowd. Now comes the homework time. You will do this exercise number 40 in your grammar books. This is all about today's lecture. If you have any queries or questions, do ask me in the inbox. I am here to guide you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.